What's up, everybody? Today we are going to pull apart an old rusty, hard to get apart galvanized fitting. Let's go into some tools that we're going to need. We go with a torch, a MAP gas torch, a propane torch. Just you're going to need to get it really hot. A couple pair of channel locks or a couple pipe wrenches. Alright, first thing we're doing is taking our torch and we're going to put the torch on this thing for a good 20 minutes probably. Get it glowing red hot. After it gets completely hot, grab your pipe wrench or your channel locks, whatever you have. Start putting some force on this thing, and it should come right apart. You shouldn't have any issues. As you can see, this thing came apart pretty easy with all the threads still intact. So if you thought this was a helpful video, give me a thumbs up, a share, a subscribe. If you have any other plumbing problems, hit me up down below and I'll see if I can make a video about it.